Is your home ready for an update with a new deck this spring? Is your old wood deck rotting? Is it unsafe with missing boards or loose railing? This is the time to transform your outdoor living space with a modern, easy-to-maintain composite deck from Allstate's Home Improvement. Our expert team will help you design a deck that will elevate your outdoor space. Enjoy more time outside this spring on your beautiful new composite deck by Allstate's Home Improvement. Our professional installers use the highest quality materials and work efficiently, focusing only on your job until completion. Allstate's Home Improvement is the area's highest rated and most reviewed home improvement company. Join over 30,000 happy customers and trust us with your home project. Call us for a free, no-obligation consultation. Protect your investment with a new deck from Allstate's Home Improvement.
Take advantage of our Ready for Spring offer. 27% off installation and no payments and no interest until 2027.
Call Allstate's Home Improvement to update your home.
Let our family work for yours.